It's Christmas in July. If you go to Creative Fabrica, it's snowing, it's blizzarding, and we've got crazy deals here. We've got fonts 90% off. We've got graphics 90% off. We've got embroidery designs 90% off. Now, if you want to look into this in a bit more detail, I'm just going to go to the main page here. So when you first get onto Creative Fabrica, you're going to see the same old page that we've seen before, right? We've got fonts, we've got graphics, crafts, that kind of thing, right? What you want to do is go up here to the top right. 90% off 1 million products. So I'm going to click this View Deals button. And here we get the blizzard. If you see the blizzard, you're on the right path. I want to just check out fonts for a second, because when you click this View All Fonts, you're going to see a whole bunch here that are 90% off. And I think this is worth looking in a bit more detail, because things like this bride chalk, that's like a big deal. Finding really good chalk designs is hard. And using this type of font, it's regularly $16. You get it for $1.60. And I love the mock-ups here. They've got lots of different, it shows you all the different characters. Shows you how you can use stuff. And this does come with a commercial license. So I wanted to point this out, because a lot of people ask this question. They go, well, can I use this for print on demand? Yes, you absolutely can. If you buy a font on Creative Fabrica, it comes with a commercial license. Same thing here with the graphics. So I'm going to show you how to look this up. So I'm going to go to the View Deals here at the top. And then what you can do here is you can search in the search window. So if I type in, for example, funny cat, it's going to give me a whole bunch of results, but I can also just click enter, and that will give me a whole bunch of designs here. So this is $2, 90% off. So if we open this up, we can see that this is 20 cents. So this individual design is 20 cents. Now, I also want to point out as well, if you are really concerned about the license and you want to make sure you're playing by the rules, and hey, good on you, I love that. There's this thing right here on these designs, need full print on demand license. You can click on this, and that will come up with this POD license. So instead of 20 cents, you'd pay 26 cents, and you can order a full print on demand license. This is a one-time payment, and the full print on demand license is perpetual. You're allowed to use the product indefinitely. So this has been a big beef sometimes on YouTube. I'll see comments where people say, yeah, you can buy it, but if you don't have a subscription and I don't want to lose access, I don't want to make all these designs. Great. So buy the print on demand license. You have it forever. When you get to this search page where you're looking at the different bundles, so I typed in funny cat, you can just type in something else as well. So dog bundle, for example, that will change instantly, and you'll see there's 90% off. So that's 60 cents. This is $1.50. This would be about 90 cents. And you can search for anything here. You can say soccer, and you can see there's 2,400 results. These are all the sale items that are in here. So I'll put a link in the video description below. You just want to click on this View Deals here. Just a heads up, the link that I'll provide is an affiliate link. And what that means is if you click on the link and you wind up purchasing something, I would receive a small commission. But I highly recommend checking out Creative Fabrica. This is a timed deal. It expires at the time of this recording in 8 days. So it'll be about a week when this thing goes live, and you'll want to check it out. There's lots of fonts, there's lots of graphics, and don't forget about the embroidery designs. The embroidery designs are really cool too. And with 90% off, you can get some screaming deals here. It really is Christmas in July. I hope you guys found that helpful. Take care.